In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Bitwarden two-step authentication using Authy. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Bitwarden web vault. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Bitwarden, taking you straight to the web vault interface where all the action happens. Once you're in the vault, find and click on My Account. It should be straightforward and prominently displayed for easy access. By doing this, you enter your account's control panel, offering an overview of all your important settings. Next, look for the security option and click on it. This is your gateway to enhancing your account's protection settings, which is crucial since securing your online information is more important than ever. Now, it's time to click on two-step login. This feature is essential for anyone wanting to add an extra layer of security to their account. It helps to protect your data, making it inaccessible to unauthorized users. When you've clicked two-step login, move ahead by finding the Authenticator app option. Give it a click, and you'll be approaching the setup specific to using Authy as your two-step verification tool. You'll then come across an option labeled Manage. Click on it. This facilitates managing all the details related to the two-factor authentication setup. The system will now prompt you to type in your master password. This step verifies that it's truly you who is authorizing the changes. Once you've carefully entered your master password, go ahead and click on Continue to proceed. It's now time to put Authy to work. Retrieve the verification code from your Authy app. You should type this code into the respective field on Bitwarden. This step is crucial as it syncs Authy with Bitwarden, providing an additional layer of security to ensure no one else can access your account. With your verification code entered, click on Turn On. This action completes the setup, activating two-factor authentication with Authy for your Bitwarden account. As a best practice, always ensure that these setup activations conclude with saving or noting important details. Now let's move on to viewing your recovery code. Click on View Recovery Code, which is necessary if you ever lose access to your Authenticator app. To access the recovery code, you'll be prompted again to enter your master password. Enter it diligently and click Continue. Once you've done that, you will be directed to your recovery code. Be sure to secure this code safely, preferably in a secure offline location, because it can be a lifesaver if you encounter access issues. Finally, click on Print Code to have a physical copy if needed. Remember, the download or print option is incredibly useful, so don't skip it. And there you go. You have successfully secured your Bitwarden account with two-step authentication using Authy. Feel safer knowing your data is well protected. Thanks for watching and happy securing.